Have you ever felt the calming effect of soil beneath your fingers? Let's delve into the world of gardening, a therapeutic hobby that forms a profound connection between us and our mental well-being. Amid the rush of our fast-paced lives, the rhythmic act of planting seeds offers a much-needed pause, a moment of serenity. From sowing seeds to nurturing them into blooming wonders, every step in gardening is a meditation in its own right. Indeed, the transformative power of planting is a journey worth embarking on. Did you know that the act of sowing seeds or tending to plants can become a form of meditation? Indeed, gardening encourages mindfulness, a state of active, open attention on the present. As you dig into the soil, plant seeds, and watch them grow, you are drawn into the here and now. This focus on the present moment, coupled with the sensory experience of nature, can significantly contribute to stress reduction. The scent of blooming flowers, the touch of leaves, and the visual feast of colors create a sensory-rich environment that engages the mind and soothes the soul. Ever considered gardening as a form of gentle exercise? Indeed, the act of bending, lifting, and digging works various muscle groups, providing a low-impact workout that's as rewarding as it is beneficial. Furthermore, the exposure to natural sunlight helps the body generate vitamin D, essential for maintaining strong bones and a robust immune system. The simple joy of being outdoors, coupled with the physical exertion of gardening, promotes a sense of well-being. The combination of these elements releases endorphins, contributing to a positive mental state. Have you ever experienced the joy of creating and nurturing your own green space? There's a unique sense of fulfillment that comes from cultivating a garden, be it a quaint balcony retreat or a sprawling backyard sanctuary. The process of planning, planting, and caring for your green space isn't just a task, it's a journey. Every seed sown, every plant tended to becomes a source of joy, a testament to accomplishment. Join us in embracing the therapeutic potential of gardening and discover how this simple yet profound hobby can be a transformative tool for relaxation, mindfulness, and overall well-being.